Hey everybody, Danny Ray, LifeTelesalesMentor.com. Just want to come to you today. Hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving. Hope you guys recharged some of your batteries over the weekend. Just want to go ahead and touch base and go over a bonus chapter that's going to be added to the masterclass. Okay. Time and time again, I see agents out there struggling with their ROI because they're paying someone out there to manage their Facebook leads or build their campaigns. All right. When ultimately, I've seen some agents spending over $1,000 a month, in some cases a week, to have somebody go in and touch their campaigns. All right. That is a big hit to your ROI as an agent. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a bonus chapter to the masterclass, okay, which is going to teach you step by step how to build your own lead generating campaign via Facebook. Now, what I'm going to show you, okay, is already in the masterclass. All right, there's a foundation part to teach you how to build your own lead generation website. Okay, really important. All right. But what I'm also going to go ahead and show you now is how to build out a short form Facebook campaign, which will get directed right to either your email, a spreadsheet, or a CRM that you're currently using. All right. Also, I'm going to show you how to build a long form landing page lead generation for your website, okay, or for Facebook long form. All right. This is so important because then you have full control. You have full control. You're not relying on other people, their time, cutting a check to them. If you're spending $1,000 a month or $1,000 a week, okay, how many more leads can you be using those for marketing dollars? In return, is going to put money back in your pocket, not giving somebody else money. What you're going to learn is this is a very simplistic process. Okay, very simplistic process. All right, so what I'm going to go ahead and again, those of you that have the masterclass right now know that Module 3 is all about claiming your independence. It basically lays a foundation how to build your own website. Okay, but here's the sweetener. Building out your brand, building out a lead generating website, or building out a short form Facebook lead generation campaign or a long form generation campaign. Okay, I highly recommend that you do that via your own brand, your own website. You see, your website has what's called a privacy policy, okay, that's linked to your website that tells people that, we're not going to sell your information. Okay, and again, these leads are the consumer opting in. Okay, very important. They're opting in for you to call them. You're not just calling them, do not call this and this blazing and this pounding the phone and cold calling. Remember, these leads that you generate, that I generate, that Lisa Marie or anybody else that's an independent, these are consumers that opted in for you to call them. Really important. So again, this is a tremendous thing right now because with the offer right now, okay, with WP Insurance, all right, to go ahead and generate and get your own lead generating website, okay, below in the comments or the info below will be the WP Insurance link. Also, a coupon, okay, they're extending their Black Friday offering, okay, at 50% off, all right, which is fantastic. Okay, also, what I'm going to do for you too, those of you that have not joined the masterclass yet, all right, I'm also going to give you a 50% off coupon below as well. So you're going to get the masterclass, all right, with the mindset module, getting your mind right, the sales process, how to sell at a high level, and also the third module, which claiming your independence and building your own self-generating lead website. Okay, now this is even better. All right, now you're going to be able to get the WP Insurance coupon to be able to get these websites the WordPress theme half price. Okay, but what I'm going to do for you also is put a link down below for a coupon for 50% off the masterclass. Okay, I don't know how long this is gonna go on, but maybe a few weeks, maybe a couple of days, maybe the whole month of December. I'm not sure. All right, but again, what it does for you is gives you the opportunity to go ahead and invest in yourself. Okay, learn the proper way to sell over the phone, get a tremendous foundation. Okay, the opportunity to go ahead and build your own lead generating website. But most importantly, the bonus chapter that I'm putting in the masterclass will teach you how to build your own Facebook short form lead campaigns. Okay, that most people spend thousands of dollars a month paying other people to do. All right, but also because you got a website and the privacy policy. Okay, I'm a big believer in linking the brands together. Okay, you're building a brand, link them together. All right, don't use multiple brands. Okay, that have no validity to it. Okay, if a client can't just even go to a website, so you build out your brand, build out your Facebook business page. Okay, and have everything linked up together. Okay, so for when you build out your website landing page will automatically be generating leads immediately. Immediately, these are people that click on an ad, fill out, see quotes. Okay, that's going to be one of the bonus chapters that I'm going to show you how to build that. Also, how to build short form leads, where you get leads from call to action, learn more call to action. Okay, but most importantly, as a whole, with the masterclass, you will be able to literally generate your own leads pretty quickly. Okay, within a couple of days if you want to. All right. Now, again, you're getting the best of three worlds. You're going to learn how to build a lead generating website, which takes time, guys. It's not something that happens. You hit a switch. It's a brick by brick process. And it's something that you have to, it's a tedious job, but over a period of time, you're building an asset. And eventually you'll have SEO generated leads coming to you live. All right. But also now you get a short form as well. Okay. For Facebook campaigns that I'll teach you how to build, but also a long form via landing page. All right. Again, this is something that will go ahead and do a big increase in your ROI instead of spending thousands of dollars and just handing it over to a marketer, which literally they go in and they spend about 30 seconds and tweak a couple of things, change a picture, change an ad, tweak an ad copy, and you're paying $1,000 for something that literally takes minutes to do. Okay, so look out for that right there. Okay, again, with the masterclass, you'll be able to get a 50% off that as well. So you're going to get a 50% off of the WordPress insurance.org campaign, their WordPress theme. Okay, and also for 50% off on the masterclass, limited time only. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay, so again, you're going to have the foundation where you learn mindset. You're going to get the sales process, okay? And also module 3 will be claiming your independence, learning how to build a lead generating website. But also there's bonus chapters, guys. This bonus chapter I'm going to be adding in the next 10 days, okay? Where you will literally learn how to build your own Facebook long form, short form, landing page, link it up to your branded website, okay? The theme you would buy with WordPress, okay, wpinsurance.org. All right, so sit tight. Very excited about this, okay? And then you can roll into 2021, claiming your independence, not needing anybody but yourself to generate and be successful in this business, okay? 2021 is going to be a huge year, all right? So get excited. I'll talk to you soon.